remove bunny clips is with the bunny clippers. They work really well and they have not failed me, not once. Okay, all finished. Took the day to do it, but we're done. Let me show you. So, you have the lucky opportunity of watching me make a fool of myself by rebuilding my Rabbitry. It's, well, halfway rebuilt. And now I get to show you finishing it. I have added extra cages and I need to build roofs, just like these, on the extra cages that I have. And make my watering system. So that's today's work, the water system. The best way that I find to remove bunny clips is with the bunny clippers. Let's see if I can show you what I'm talking about. I take the bunny clips, I stick it, the one tooth, through the hole and have the back teeth catching on the other end, and I squeeze. See if it focuses. Focus. Focus! Thank you. And then they bend and come off. I don't know if I can actually get the camera on there. Then they bend and then come off. Focus! Voila! No more bunny clip. So, because my old water system ends here, all the way around, I now have to cut off this end and put it over there. I now have all the pipe that's needed for the nipples to go into the cages, I need the pipe to return the water back to the barrel, which is right there. But it's going to move outside of the fence, and all the pipes come out and push the water to every cage and come back and deposit back into the barrel, so we have a continuous flow and we don't freeze during the winter. I gathered most of the pipe that I need to do the return, so now I just need to eyeball my measurements and glue it all up. Probably should move my barrel first. I hope it's not full of ice. That barrel was half full, so we might be here for a while. Hopefully it's empty enough now that I can move the barrel. All I did is stop by at Lowe's to get more pieces, so I ran out. So that meant changing my pants. So now I still look like lazy mom. Probably wondering where I got all this pipe. Got on Facebook Marketplace for $20. It's all 3/4 inch PVC pipe, and then the rest of it is what I purchased and made with my old Rabbitry before I moved to here. I had an old water system on the other side of my house. Probably is the best place to be because it's shaded under my tree and my house. But in order for the chickens to distribute the rabbit poop, I have to have it on this side of the house. And I got a shade cloth for the summer, and they do have a roof. And this one will also get a roof. And I have fans. Hoping to get some tiles pretty cheap so that they will have that to be on. But they did really well during the summer with the fans. I might not need to do that, especially with the ventilation that they have here. But I haven't had this many rabbits either before. And so we'll see what happens during the summer. It gets really hot nowadays. I've been using for my rabbits is not the rabbit nipples. I use pig nipples. They just bite on it and the water comes out just fine. And they have been using that. I've been using this from the beginning. I've never used rabbit nipples ever. And because I heard they failed a lot. So I didn't want anything to fail. Plus,
I get the 3/4 inch with the screw on. I get the 3/4 inch, I believe it's the 1/2 inch threaded, and then they just screw right into them. And I don't have to do any sort of adapter thing for it. They work really well, and they have not failed me, not once.
Okay, all finished. Took the day to do it, but we're done. Let me show you. So now we have a nipple on every cage, and we have the pump coming in and going out. So here we have, and they just tap it. It's very easy. Let's see if I can catch someone drinking some water. Well, oh, they're probably not doing it now. Oh, here we go. I have one on a bucket right here, and here he is drinking some water from a pig nipple. Very easy. They just bite it and lick it. But yep, it just comes through to all the cages. I have 3/4 inch PVC pipe with the 3/4 inch tees with a 1/2 inch threaded where the pig nipple goes through, and I've just glued every single piece together through every single hole. And we have here at the end is our barrel full of water with a fountain pump inside, and we'll have a fish tank heater in here too. I'll have a replacement. I just need to hook up a funny pipe right here for the exit to go down here, because before it was just resting on top of it, and I didn't need any funny pipe. But it's basically complete. I'll plug it in tomorrow, and it will get water to all of my rabbits, except for these. These still have to be watered.